So it's supposed to be 87. So we decided if we're in the Redmond area, we're coming to someplace we've never been before.
So here we are at Cove Palasades.
And we are brought to you by Toyota and your Northwest Toyota dealers, because their whole theme is, when it's safe, let's go places. And also by Seneca, a growing company, both of our sponsors, plus a lot more. So we're gonna go rent a couple of kayaks.
And go see what Lake Billy Chinook's all about.
We never even knew this was here. Well, we knew it was here, but we never even drove it down the road, so.
So this is all new.